Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna share like a budget friendly salon style pedicure session or pedicure video. So I will divide everything like step by step so you can understand better way. So let's get started in the video. And now I'm starting off with my nail polish removing process, and after that I'm gonna cut my nails because it's really big and I don't like big nails, so that's why. And also because of it, this monsoon start, so that's why I'm just doing this pedicure, because in this monsoon we get really infected by water, because the water get polluted because of the monsoon season. So make sure that you don't apply any sort of nail polish or anything to your nails that's kind of get fungal infection at your nails, so make sure avoid that. So now I'm gonna file my nails to make them a little bit shape. Yeah. So now I am adding some hydrogen peroxide, but make sure guys, if you have any cut, like fresh cut or anything, so or any kind of allergic reaction, try to avoid that. And also I'm adding some salt kind of help you through your fungal infection if you have. Yeah. And now with the help of this brush I'm scrubbing my leg. It's wet enough to remove your all dirt from your leg. And yeah, I'm just scrubbing all my leg with this pumic stone and with the brush also, you can see. And now I'm cleaning all the excess water from my leg and using this side of the brush and scrubbing again, and start scrubbing again. It's kind of help to reduce all your dead skin cells from your leg, because our leg skin is so thick, so that's why it's kind of help. You can try it too, but make sure you are using your full hand power for this. And after that I'm gonna taking this scoop kind of thing to removing all my dirt from my nails, and also cuticle, also from cuticle. You can see how I'm doing this. And after that I'm taking this cuticle cutter and I'm just cutting all my cuticles, because cuticle is the main reason of fungal issue. So make sure that you cut your cuticle all the times, even if you are not doing pedicure, doesn't matter. Just cut your nail and also cuticle. It's an anti-tan removal scrub, so that's why I'm using it. It's not necessary to use any anti-tan removal, although they didn't work much. So you can use any scrub you have, like body scrub. And now I'm taking some massager cream. It's a really good massager cream. I will link everything below, so don't worry. it's feel like butter, and it soften up your leg like fit so well. So must try this, like this massage session, and it's so calming and so relaxing, guys. Must try this one. And make sure you're gonna massage your feet till your massager cream absorb into your skin, so that's kinda help to even more smoother, like yeah. And this is the final step. Now I'm using some anti-tan face pack. Obviously this is a face pack, but I'm using in my feet because we deserve, girls, we deserve this. And also applying some cuticle and nail oil like conditioner, then rest for 15. We are done, and this is an additional step, guys. You can skip it though, and it's a hand cream. I don't have foot cream, so that's why I'm using this hand cream. It's a really nice and smells so refreshing and so good. Must try this one. And I'm applying all over my feet, and after that I'm applying some transparent nail polish to make it look more glossy, and because it's transparent, so I can see through my nails what is going on there. So yeah. And thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, then please guys do share, subscribe and like my video, and also hit this notification bell, so every time I post a new video you will get notified. And thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.